Today we're going inside one of America's most advanced hydroponic vertical farms, where leafy greens grow without using any soil. We'll watch the full journey, from tiny seeds all the way to fully packaged greens ready for grocery shelves. This new generation of indoor agriculture relies on precision, automation, and climate control. Vertical stacking multiplies growing space many times over traditional farms.
Automated dispensers position each seed accurately to ensure consistent sprouting.
Sprouting begins inside a warm, high-humidity germination room.
Seeds stay in darkness until they break the surface and form their first roots. Once sprouted, the trays shift into bright growing aisles for rapid development.
Hydroponics delivers minerals directly to the roots using a controlled water loop.
Nutrient tanks combine micro and macro elements under constant monitoring. Nutrient levels look optimal on Sector 3.
Confirmed. Uploading the adjustment protocol now. LED arrays adjust spectrum and brightness automatically for each growth stage.
Steady airflow helps maintain leaf texture and uniform color. Robotic lifts handle tray movement from higher levels without disturbing the plants.
Freshly cut greens are washed to remove debris and stabilize temperature.
Air knife blowing.
Optical scanners detect imperfections and divert damaged pieces automatically. Each batch is weighed accurately before packaging begins.
Finished packs move toward chilled rooms to maintain crispness.
Cold storage slows respiration to keep the greens fresh before shipping. Automated wrapping protects the product during transport.
This label is smudged, make sure to flag it.
Right, updating the record now.
Every package receives traceable labels for inventory and food safety.
Operators monitor the entire farm from a centralized control room. Water is continuously filtered and sterilized before re-entering the system.
Sensors keep nutrient levels balanced without manual intervention. Lighting adapts in real time to plant density and growth stage. Reusable trays are cleaned and sanitized for the next planting cycle.
This closed-loop design allows non-stop production throughout the year.
Data analysis helps maximize yield while minimizing water and energy use.
Finished greens are shipped quickly to regional distribution centers.
Sealed transport keeps conditions stable until delivery.
Many facilities combine renewable energy with indoor farming. Inside, the next growing cycle is already underway.
The process repeats with precision, day after day.
This is Inside Mechanism, where modern engineering reshapes how food is grown.